Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. I-coach ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ikhulumile ukuthi ulokhunjana uPeterson we-Kaizer Chiefs u-goalkeeper laphana number 1 futhi uphinde abe yi-captain. Uthi uPeterson i-target lakhe ukuthi abuyele laphana ku-national team. Uthe if ama-performances wakhe ayaqhubeka laphana ayamkhulumela, uzoqhubeka aphushe for i-AFCON ukuthi bambize laphana ku-national team ye-AFCON. Bekukhuluma-ke uBen Khalil Youssef. uPeterson bafethu this season la ku-all competitions unama-clean sheets awu-9 overall. I don't think khona ugoalkeeper ku-Betway Premiership onawo lama-clean sheets lawa. I think bengike ngasho ukuthi I think uyadeserve mina ukuba nalama-clean sheets lawa. At the same time uyadeserve noma kuthiwa ngeke avimbe kuBafana Bafana but abe yi-third choice. If khona umuntu onama-clean sheets angcono kunaye akuselect i-squad nge-fairness ukuthi abafana bayadeserve or abanye abadeserve. Asingeneni kule ndaba lena bafethu kaNtwari we-Kaizer Chiefs. I think it's over between yena ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngimbonile eDobsonville befake ibuko ukuthi usukhona ku-Kaizer Chiefs but kubonakala ngathi Kaizer Chiefs abanawo ama-plans wakhe at all manje bafethu. Indlela-ke imkhomba kwenye i-team we don't know if Kaizer Chiefs izomrelease ngoJanuary but kumele bathole i-sizable offer or i-team ezokwazi ukuhandle ama-salaries wakhe umfana if bayamhambisa ku-loan. Maybe kungenzeka bazisolve le inkinga lezi abanazo but at the moment kubonakala ngathi it's out of place because imagine bathathe umfana omncane laphana uMokoena batravela naye laphana ukuya eThekwini. So think about this. Uvuma uyi-second choice, uMokoena i-third choice. Guess what? uBuntle Molife uyi-fourth choice goalkeeper eKaizer Chiefs. Ngabe uye uba yi-third choice. Maybe-ke nawe une-injury angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaye because of uye bekumele manje atravel ne-team. Would make sense if uye i-third choice but-ke badecide ukuthatha umfana ku-DDC team abe khona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Where is uNtwari kuyo yonke le situation le? Kusho ukuthi i-situation yabo i-worse laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall bafethu but yeah, it is what it is bafethu but sithembe ukuthi umfana uzoba ne-future e-right outside i-Kaizer Chiefs if inkinga zabo abazisolve. But at the moment kubonakala ngathi relationship broken, ngeke isalungiseka. Kubonakala ngathi there is no hope but-ke ithemba lihlezi likhona ebholeni bafethu. But I think into ebulale i-relationship eKaizer Chiefs noNtwari noma i-affectayo if lesi abanye abantu abangeneleli ukuthi bakwazi ukuyisolve ukuthi eRwanda babhizi batshelana neKaizer Chiefs ukuthi abamdlalisi lo muntu lona kumele bamdlalise i-best goalkeeper laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, badlalisa abantu abangadeserve ukudlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Cabanga bayatshelwa o-coach ne-management eKaizer Chiefs bayafonelwa futhi batshelwe i-national coach yaseRwanda ifonela u-goalkeeper coach we-Kaizer Chiefs lapho u-coach nabekhona wayefonelwa naye kuthiwa dlalisani lo muntu uyobhethela noVuma noPeterson. Naye wabonisa i-arrogance mabamreplace angafuni ukureplacewa yabo. That's inkinga of the problem serious futhi akusinkinga encane. Umbuzo wami ukuthi uPeterson-ke kubantu bafethu abalalele njengoba uPeterson overall across all competitions lo muntu lona unama-clean sheets awulokhunjani awu-13 this season. uBetway Premiership u-99. So yeah, it's what a journey for him and obviously defense eKaizer Chiefs emsizayo laphana ukuthi angaconcede adlale kahle kakhulu ku-continental level. Unawo ama-clean sheets against ku-continental level even naku-other competitions unawo amalokhunjana ama-clean sheets. Continental level khona le yaCabo Scope, khona le yase-home la eSouth Africa against Simba. Oh no, Simba baba-concedile but away azange aconcede. Yeah, what a storyline for him. Ama-clean sheets angaka I think uyayi-deserve opportunity overall bafethu ukuthi bambone nalaphana ku-national team. What a performance from him. Siyazi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi obvious akekho affected or bam-attack kakhulu laphana but-ke I think uyawa-deserve lawo ma-praises lawo ukuthi simhloniphe ukuthi uyawathola ama-clean sheet. Angazi ukuthi abantu asimuveni kancane, angazi ukuthi abantu bambonile uGavin Hunt a-celebrate igoli bekuyi-offside waze waya ngale kuma-fans wawu-celebrate phambi kwama-fans ukuthi ushaya igoli ekugcineni only to find out maybe ukuthi no akusigoli i-offside. It is sad bafethu. ujabulela into engekho umuntu omdala. But-ke aziyenzeka lezi zinto ibhola at the end of the day, but yeah, kubuhlungu ngempela ukuthi umuntu agcine a-celebrate-a kangaka, but-ke only to find out ukuthi no, akusiyo igoli mfethu, go back to the drawing board. In fact, isikhathi siyaphela, only for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ikore after lapho isikhathi vele sesiphela. Good assist from uGustin Sirino. Lena i-Halloween costume ya-Justin Sirino nomndeni wakhe bafowethu. Justin Sirino basiphilela is-American, i-South Africa. I mean, well, e-America it's a big culture ukuthi ba-celebrate le nto le Halloween. South Africa is not even a thing. It's not. Maybe it's starting to be a thing kuma-suburban areas, but it's not even a thing. South Africa sisazela thina in the summertime. Sithelana ngamanzi emalokishini. That's it. That's it. That's the culture. But yeah, man, what an assist for Justin Sirino. But unomndeni omuhle umfowethu. And the coolest thing ukuthi umndeni wakho uyamsupport, uhlezi ukhona lapha ne-stadium kumsupport, ukumake sure ukuthi bakhona bayambukela nobababo abantwana ukuthi uyakwazi ukudeliver ama-results. And I'm sure baya-celebrate njalo meperforme kahle kufana ne-game le yayizolo. Justin Sirino, what an assist overall. Ukuthi akwazi laphana ukunika umfowethu ibhola uSilva, umthole laphana kahle kakhulu bafowethu. I think yeah, well, kunama-comment amaningi about amanye ama-player angakayitholi opportunity ukuthi adlale. But-ke o-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs bayazi ukuthi benzani bafowethu, as long as bathola ama-results, I think bayazi ukuthi benzani, and then bazodecide bona ekugcineni ukuthi okay, kudlala obani abangadlali, obani abadeserve ukudlala. Before ngivala bafethu, i-Durban City yayo i-history yayo ne-Kaizer Chiefs, last time begcina ukudlala ngesizini i-Kaizer Chiefs yayidominate vele le fixture le. I-Durban City before bayi-relegate kwakuyi-Maritzburg United, just batshintsha igama nje. So 2022-2023 season i-Kaizer Chiefs yabashaya 3-0 bafowethu. Yaphinde yabashaya 2-0 ku-Nedbank Cup, yaphinde yabashaya futhi ku-league, yabashaya 3-0. So akusiyi team lena. Oh man, ike yabashaya man 3-0, 2-0, 3-2. Akusiyi team ebanika i-problem le at all bafowethu, even ne-history favor Kaizer Chiefs. But either it could have gone either way on the day izolo, because of khona nala vele abakore khona nge-offside abafana. But-ke it's a game of football. La usozitshela khona ukuthi uthole i-draw no kuba i-heartbreak, bavele balishaye igoli ekugcineni kuphele ngawo. Libuhlungu ibhola bafethu. But ngicela ukuyibamba la kwamanje indaba yabo Peterson nezinye izimbalo zaku-PSL ukuthi uPeterson bathi uyadeserve ulwela ukuthi mana abuyele laphana kuBafana Bafana. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe.